Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I thought of talking about a relatively new coin, a Shiba Inu. Now this coin is trading at a very low level. I think 0.00008 cents or something like that, some around there. It's the price is far lower than Dogecoin, and that is why it is extremely people are it's extremely attractive. People are looking at investing in this coin, just like people started investing in Dogecoin. Now obviously, in over the last few months, couple of months, I would say, last couple of months, Dogecoin really got a really big emphasis because of Elon Musk and SpaceX. But Shiba Inu is, because of the price and because of the coins that are being made available on its own exchange, chances are that this will also be rising, just like Dogecoin. Now there is also belief. Now no one knows the truth that Amazon's Jeff Bezos has some backing of Shiba Inu coins. Well, it's not confirmed. Jeff Bezos hasn't come, or Amazon hasn't come out to the press and accepted that particular claim. But well, given all of that, Shiba Inu is likely to grow really big, and there have been multiple research agencies or news, crypto news or finance news channels who've been talking about it. What happens in the future, we don't know. I would strongly advise you to keep a watch on that, and then see if it's really growing, then latch onto it. If you are willing to kind of put in your money into Shiba Inu. So let's try and understand this particular coin. It's, like I said, it's relatively new in the market. Let's try and understand. Before we jump in, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video, and please share my videos with people who you think would be benefited from my research, from my videos. Please send it to them. Please send it to people who want to know more about cryptocurrencies, the finance market, any of the tokens that I talk about. I do a great amount of research before I come up with a video like this. So they should learn from me, and I don't want them to go through that hurdle and days of research. All I want is for them to take the juice from what I'm talking about, and they can go ahead and start investing and making money. That's my aim. So with that in mind, let's dive in. So let's now understand Shiba Inu coins, SHIB. So it's dubbed as the Dogecoin killer, largely because of the price. And just like Dogecoin gained popularity recently, a lot of these speculators or investors or people who do research on cryptocurrencies think that even this particular coin would also grow really big. So it is gaining popularity very quickly, especially amongst the Chinese crypto dealers. Their decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap, is on the Ethereum network, where community members can trade, buy, sell, and hold for rewards. So that's very, very exciting. And the next point is actually Shiba, is focusing on NFTs, non-fungible tokens. So they are looking to help the artists community and incubate that particular community. And to me, that is a very, very strong point, because artists have always been on the losing side and have lost many of their own creativity, their own work, artwork, to other people. So NFT to me is a great opportunity or a great platform for them to hold on to their creations. And if there is a coin which is helping them do that, I'm all for it if they have the right intentions. So Shiba, is going to focus on NFTs for the artists community. And despite being tagged as the Dogecoin killer, you have to understand that both these cryptocurrencies are very low in price. Although lately Dogecoin went up to about 73 cents, but it's really low in price. Hence, there would be a lot of investors who would be suffering from that FOMO, fear of missing out effect, and they'll go and invest. So it's that retail hype and frenzy that drives both these coins. So you have to keep that in mind. This is very important and crucial, because the hype and the frenzy could even bring down the price of the coin. So you have to be a little more careful and be watchful on both Dogecoin and Shiba. If you're looking to investing in any one of them or similar categories of coins. Now, let's try and see if really Shiba will rise like Dogecoin. So you have to understand that according to, now I'm trying to gauge what, I'm going to talk about more on what Yahoo Finance has been talking about, because they have done the analysis based on the patterns, and I'm today in this particular video I'm talking more based on their interpretations. So they say that Shiba Coin will only see more of these opportunities because investors may put in more money into the cryptocurrency due to sympathy trade. Now, sympathy trade is the key term. I'll explain to you on sympathy trade in the next slide. They also say that Shiba Inu's current market cap is about $3.9 billion, which is far lower than $55+ billion of Dogecoin. And hence, some traders may be willing to bet on Shiba and will start to close the gap of market cap in case it becomes more popular. So this is a very valid point, because if the market cap is lower and the price is lower, then traders would want to go in for a new coin, and that's when it will see a rise like how Dogecoin did in the recent few months. Now let's talk about sympathy trade. So Lightspeed says a sympathy trade investing refers to when a trader reacts to news occurring in one security by trading another security that is making a move as a result of that. So that means, as an example they gave, that if an investor sees a dip, let's say in Macy's stock, they may be hesitant to invest in JP Penny since there is a similar market. But if they see a growth in a certain stock, in this case it's a crypto, let's say Dogecoin, then there are chances that the investors would move in for Shiba, because they are also in a pretty much, I would say, similar market or similar business model, but because of the prices are pretty low, and that is a great advantage that investors would look at and buy more. And like I said, like I told you before, right at the beginning, that there are many coins that Shiba is coming up with, a few quadrillion coins, something like that. So there will be a lot of opportunity to invest in Shiba. So so the question is, should you then invest in Shiba coin because of Dogecoin? Two answers. Again, as per Yahoo Finance, Shiba coin has a chance to rise, riding the wave of momentum from Dogecoin. Very true. Very valid point. However, traders should know that Shiba will likely to remain dependent on Dogecoin dynamics as it is still viewed as or viewed as wrong in English, another cryptocurrency with an image of a cute dog. If you look at the logo, it's also a logo of a dog, very similar to that of Dogecoin. So now that's a perception. I don't know how much that perception will play a role in the investment sentiments, but that's a point of view of Yahoo Finance. I would, in my opinion, I would imagine investors in the crypto world play by price and play by the frenzy. And if Dogecoin goes up, so that's why I would agree with point number one. So if Dogecoin goes up, Shiba people will go in for Shiba, and that's when if you are looking as a new coin to invest in, you should go in, but don't be too greedy. You see how much it goes. If it's moving even further, at some point in time, sell it off and make that money. That's would be my advice to you. So that's it, guys. So as you know, I have a ebook for you on my journey as an entrepreneur. I quit my six-figure globetrotting job in 2010. So the book is called Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about my story as an entrepreneur. If the link to that to this ebook is flashing on the screen. In this particular ebook, I've also laid out 3 worksheets for you to score yourself on and to try and see if you really fit the bill to be an entrepreneur. I scored myself as well, and you would see how much I scored back in 2010 based on those 3 worksheets in this particular book. So go get to this particular website, to my website, to this link on free book, a free tool, and put down your name and email address, and the link to download the book will be sent to your email address. So I hope you enjoyed the book and it's useful to you. Staying back on the topic, I will also put a link to a video on the card above, on where I spoke about a tool called Crypto Planet, which you can use to earn passive income on cryptocurrencies. Take a look at the video. The link to their page, sales page will be in the description box below of that video. Take a look at it and see if you want to invest in that particular tool. So, well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for listening to me. My name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with about 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please feel free to connect with me. I regularly work with companies on their business marketing and technology, the challenges around there, and try and find solutions to those challenges. If you're looking to engage in me as your consultant in your company, please write to me on the contact page of my website. A link to that will be in the description down below. Or you could write to me after you've connected with me on LinkedIn, and I shall respond to you. And before I go, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash the notification bell And please share my videos with those who would really benefit from my research and my studies and my videos. Until tomorrow, my next video, please stay safe and I shall see you again. Bye-bye.